Hello and welcome. You are watching Business Today. I'm Neetu Chandra Sharma. Sun Pharma, India's largest pharmaceutical company, is making a strong comeback after a significant decline in profit in 2018. With an impressive turnaround, Sun Pharma has achieved its highest ever consolidated revenue of Rs 43,279 crores in the financial year 2023. I have a very special guest joining us today, Mr. Dilip Shanghvi, the Managing Director of Sun Pharma. Remarkable turnaround, Mr. Shanghvi. I would like to ask you how the company is experiencing growth and which areas you are currently focusing on.
Our focus in the business always has been that each of our business should focus on improving its performance over what it did last year. So if I look at our major businesses, that would be our business in India, our business, branded business in the US, generic business, both in US, also in Europe, then our business in emerging markets, then our business in Japan and other countries. So I am expecting each of this business to be able to do better than what they did last year. And I think it's only because we keep on improving consistently year after year that we will continue to grow faster than the industry.
And what kind of investments are you planning to make going forward?
At the same point of time, we also make R&D investments in such a way that some of them produce short-term returns, some of them produce mid-term return. And when long-term returns start, I think it is when the step change in terms of company's growth happens. So we've been making large investment in specialty business over last 5 years. So we have kind of at a position where it will start contributing to profitability and future growth of the company in a much more meaningful way. So I think I see a brighter future for Sun as well as the other pharmaceutical companies.
To know what has been a game changer for the company, I'm looping in Mr. C.S. Muralidharan, Chief Financial Officer at Sun Pharma. Mr. Muralidharan, I want to understand from you what helped Sun Pharma regain its shine after a period of sluggish growth in between 2014 and 18.
Sun's proactive strategy of investment in specialty business has given positive results while we continue to focus on other growth drivers, which cumulatively has resulted in the improvement of margin profiles and return ratios for the organization. Our EBITDA margins have grown faster than sales when you look at the 5-year data from FY18 to FY23, moving from 21.2 to 26.5%. As an organization, we continue to focus on cost optimization, workforce productivity, and other levers, including but not limited to better product mix, difficult product to develop and make, and higher specialty sales over a period of time has helped us to expand our operating margins.
Mr. Muralidharan, Sun Pharma has its revival can be attributed to investment in its specialty business and a series of strategic acquisitions. What kind of capital allocation are you planning for the future?
When it comes to capital allocation, we have approached a balanced methodology in which we look at the risk and return in a balanced manner, and is driven by the investment needs of the business. And our aim is to also to build businesses to a full scale level, which could require considerable allocations over a period of time, but however keeping in mind the overall returns to the organization.
The positive financial performance of Sun Pharma has also been reflected in the stock market, with the company's shares experiencing significant gains. I'm joined by Tushar Manudhane, research analyst at Motilal Oswal Financial Services, to explain more about this. Tushar, tell us what is your outlook for Sun Pharma?
We strongly believe that Sun Pharma is well positioned for growth due to several factors. There is increased pace of prescription for drugs such as Ilumya, Winlevi in the developed market. Also, Sun Pharma is putting its efforts to expand its specialty offering. It has achieved stronger than average growth in domestic formulation segment as well. Despite adverse macro environment in US generics industry it has been able to maintain stable sales in this segment. It has transitioned successfully from concentrating solely on domestic generics business to exports to developed markets as well as emerging markets and ROW markets. Further, it is also underway to create a strong brand franchisee for innovative products in the developed markets, which would put Sun in a strong competitive edge compared to its peers. Considering its favorable positioning for business as well as attractive valuation, we reiterate positive outlook on this name.
Tushar, thank you so much for those valuable insights. While pharma analysts are bullish about Sun Pharma and the company continues to rise on its success, watch this space and stay tuned for more updates.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.